here's how you put interactive HTML on a prim using the Second Life Viewer 2.0. First, create a prim, right-click on the ground and pick Build, and make a box. Then, as usual, you need to resize it to be about the size of some kind of a viewer, about the same aspect ratio as a web page. And then you want to make sure that you select the front face, and then with the Texture tab selected, under Media at the bottom, press the plus sign, and then type in a URL and hit Enter, and you'll find that the thing previews right there in the preview page very quickly. Just for fun, I'm going to click all of these boxes: Auto Zoom, Auto Play Media, Auto Scale Media, and I can click Apply if I want to, and I'm definitely going to click OK. And I'm going to see that that web page loads up quite quickly and easily. Now here's the real web page, and I see that there's this wonderful, very intuitive bar above it, and that the bar goes away if I'm not focused on it, but if I bring my cursor back up there, the bar reappears. If I click the Home button, I zoom right in very easily. Even a beginner can do that. If I want to zoom out, I can use this toggle back and forth. Okay, now let's try using this thing to prove that it's interactive. I'm going to type in foo and hit Enter, and I'm going to go and I'm going to see I get a bunch of search results here. Let's click on the first link just to say that we can, and I get the fabulous foobar entry in Wikipedia. I can use the browser back button, and it works. I can use the forward button, and it works. I can use the home button, and it goes back to my original URL, so that works. I can use the reload button, although I can't really prove it very well. I can also use this button to view the same page in my regular old browser. I was using the embedded browser according to my preferences setting, so I really haven't lost any functionality. And here I might want to use this if I feel like I have low vision or I have poor lighting. I can see it just as well, or maybe a little bit better, in this regular browser that I had before. But that's really basically it. Very intuitive, very easy. Any beginner can do it.